How to delete a Discord account. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to delete a Discord account. So to delete a Discord account, first thing first, you'll need to update your application. Also check your internet connection and then open up or log into your Discord account. Once you're logged into your Discord account, it's going to take you to the home page. Over here, tap the tab bar icon. From the bottom right hand side corner, click the profile icon. So next, what you want to do is go ahead and tap the account button. While you're on this page, you'll be able to see your account information and all sort of information. Scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to find two different options, that is disable account or delete account. So you can find either one of it and select delete account. And in order to disable or delete your account, you must first transfer your ownership of the server that you own. So you'll need to go ahead and tap the OK button and make sure to transfer all of your server. And after you've done that, head back to the same page right over here and tap the delete account button. After that, you've successfully deleted your Discord account, and once the Discord account is deleted, you'll not be able to restore it. So that's basically how you can delete your Discord account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.